Hello, Antonio Pisano here, co-director and co-founder of Marcel Architecture. Video number 5, mini-series Marcel's Method. So today we talk about workflows and stages. So Marcel has basically 3+1 stages, perfectly overlapping the RIBA plan of works. So the RIBA, as you probably know, I'm talking about UK projects now. So no, not talking about French or Italian projects. For the RIBA plan of works, we have 7 stages, 1 and 2 roughly related to briefing or concept design, 3 develop design, 4 technical design, 5 works on site, 6 handover and completion, and 7 is in use data. Now, the way we translate the RIBA plan of works in our own work stages is by overlapping some of these thresholds in larger groups. So in Master Mauer stages, we have S1, which is stage 1. S1 takes kind of together RIBA stage 1, 2, and 3 to a certain extent. And stage 1 it's more like an ongoing 3D briefing, really, that we create for our client. S2, our stage 2 models are actually 3D models. Now, most of the time they're 1 to 50 or 1 to 100, 1 to 200 models. So they don't really engage in the internal structure of components. But as much as S1 for Master Malware is a very creative and bubbly mix of different media, stage 2 is a model that mainly is developed to help our clients visualize what architecture will be about. So we developed our own texture for every single component. We developed the lighting, and we use the same model both to create plans, section elevation, and photorealistic CGI. It's quite nice to mix up sketching in 3D, so you can sketch something, import the sketch, and then somehow build the sketch again in 3D using the same kind of handwriting style. S2 is a proper BIM model, because all we need really is clear plans, clear general arrangement drawings, and kick-ass CGIs. That's all we need from S2. S3 brings together RIBA stages 4, 5, and 6. As soon as the contractor notifies us with a small change in the model, we automatically update the model so that by the end of the project, we already have our as-built drawings. We have our technical design. We do develop the entire set of BIM components. Depending on the component, we'd increase or reduce the number of details by being able to script dynamic components. We even create the database architecture in order to create a data flow, a later stage for in use. So a dynamic component could be a room, let's say in a nursery or in a school, and then we could have outcome-based, performance-based data scripted within the dynamic component. So the beauty is that we decide how much information to put into the component. A specific component, a skylight, is pretty bog standard. We don't really waste our time filling in every single schedule. We just refer to the price and name. In other components, perhaps bespoke stuff, then we can go at great length in highlighting the details. So we do refer to the RIBA plan of works. We start from the RIBA plan of works. Again, I'm talking about British project. And from the RIBA plan of works, we summarize various stages into 3 main models. The first model, S1, is most likely a 3D model, but it could have mixed together in a 3D environment sketches, small videos, photographs, and it's really like a dynamic 3D briefing for our clients. We still use BIM, but sometimes our BIM components are bubbles or clouds, really an opportunity just to embed data into a conceptual model. In S2, we build in a digital building fashion. We're building at 1 to 100 most of the time, or 1 to 200, rarely 1 to 500 sort of thing. Although, I mean, the scales don't really mean anything. Just to say that we don't build within the building, within the slabs thicknesses. We just do the external layers of building components. And then in our S3, we actually build everything inside. Sometimes, depending on the complexity of our project, it might be handy to have a quick 2D sections or plans drafted out still within SketchUp Pro, and then you can use that to then align your various structure, your very M&E components within your overall technical design model. And then S4 is seldom used because it is about in-use. Unfortunately, our clients seldom pay for in-use monitoring. We have the possibility through scripting bespoke dynamic component to keep track of whatever variables we want within the build fabric, be it the air tightness, be it the amount of kilowatt hour then the PV arrays create, be it the happiness of the students. We know we can track anything, but it's really down to the client's aspiration or how much they want to measure. And the next video we are going to explore together is about the SketchUp Pro workflow. And this is when things get really quite interesting. So thank you for watching and see you soon.